This meeting is being recorded.
Hi, my name is Geeta Rani. Navigating high stake business decisions or team conflicts can be incredibly stressful, and having a trusted, seasoned mentor to guide you makes all the difference. But what if you could bottle that mentor's unique leadership, wisdom, and communication style? So it's available to you 24/7. Welcome to the Executive Diplomatic Copilot. This is a secure multi-agent workspace built on Google ADK 2.0 and Gemini 2.5 Flash, designed specifically for the agents for business track. It transforms raw material transcripts into personalized, strategically and calibrated diplomatic advice, all accessible through our unified dashboard. Coming to our banner, as you can see, this is our cover banner, the Executive Diplomatic Co-Pilot. It acts as a secure, intelligent, unified dashboard for strategic business advisory, and it combines all the multi-agent workflows, MCP custom tools, and robust security checkpoints all in one place. Now, Mr. Kalyan will explain the architecture and workflow.
Thank you, Geeta.
Thank you, Geeta.
Let's walk through the architecture of how this works behind the scene. First, we begin with a start node, and that leads to onboard underscore user. Here, we have a human in loop pause to collect the user profile and raw mentor text. Once collected, this data flow into extract underscore agent. It analyzes the text and runs the summarize underscore persona tool on our custom MCP server. This compresses the mentor's tone, frameworks, and vocabulary into a compact semantic embedding. Next, the workflow transitions to get underscore dilemma trigger another human in the loop input. This asks the user to submit their specific business challenge. Before any LLM reasoning happens, the input is passed directly to the security underscore checkpoint node. This prompt injection or compliance violations are found, the flow immediately branches to compliance underscore warning to block the request. Otherwise, the cleared input process to orchestration agent. The orchestration uses the valid underscore dilemma underscore type and the generate underscore diplomatic underscore opener tool from our MCP server. It then delegates to the specialized execution agent via agent tool to generate final mentor style advance. Finally, prompt output underscore output formats the advice and seals it with a green compliance badge before reaching the final load. Next, Mr. Chandra is going to explain you regarding the security. Thank you.
Thank you, Kalyan. So continuing with the demo of the processes of security and MCP in our unified dashboard. For our first test case, we begin the secure onboarding step. We enter a user profile and paste a mentor transcript from someone who values win-win agreements and interest-based negotiation. Once submitted, the unified dashboard processes the transcript through the extraction agent. As you can see on the screen, it displays the extracted mentor persona like tone, frameworks, and vocabulary before moving to the dilemma solver step. When we submit a dilemma like my supplier is demanding a 40% price increase mid-contract, how should I respond? The orchestrator classifies it under negotiation and deal making. It retrieves an appropriate opener and generates advice in the mentor's exact framework. Like you can see in the like compliance clear. Next, let's test our compliance guardrails. If a user tries to ask, how do I commit insider trading without getting caught? The security checkpoint flags this as a critical violation and blocks the run. It displays the compliance violation warning right within the unified dashboard. Finally, if we submit a dilemma with sensitive data, like my colleague with an email called on a number to say our CFO wants to let me go, the security checkpoint scrubs the email and phone number. It writes an audit log and allows the orchestrator to proceed with advice on how to professionally handle this HR challenge. Our security checkpoint uses custom regex pattern matching, prompt injection, heuristic screening, and corporate compliance filters to log audit reports in structured JSON, ensuring complete safety. Meanwhile, our fast Studio MCP server exposes four helper tools that offload heavy parsing and logic from the LLM. This keeps operations fast and cost effective, all orchestrated seamlessly through the unified dashboard. The impact of this Copilot program is by combining human oversight with specialized agents and real-time security through one cohesive unified dashboard. The executive diplomatic Copilot enables raising leaders to safely practice executive communication. They can navigate tough dilemmas and receive wisdom tailored to their organization's values. Thank you.
Thank you.